If you want to summarize Excel data using pivot table, you need to make sure that the data is formatted properly. In this tutorial, I will show you what you need to do. Here I am using a sample file called data formatting. The best way to format your data is through list. List consists of series of columns and rows. So here we have the different columns as department, quarter and cells, and we have the data placed through different rows. Every row has a distinct meaning. For example, for this row, electronics department has made sales of 50,992 in the first quarter. So it is very clear. Now there are certain things that must be kept in mind while formatting the list, that there should be no gaps present in the entire list. If due to certain reason, if there is any gap present, we'll see what happens. If here a blank row is present, and if I try to insert a pivot table, then it will select only the range before the blank row and it will simply ignore all the data after the blank row. So for better analysis purpose, there should be no blank row present. Second thing we need to keep in mind is that there should be no data placed around the table. That is, you cannot place the data unnecessarily in the table column D and E. So once all these conditions are fulfilled, we can go to the Home tab and select the option Format as Table. So pick any style for formatting purpose. So after clicking the format style, it will show one dialog box which has already selected the range for your table automatically. You need to check this box because your table has headers, and then click OK. In this way, an Excel table has been created. Though the table has been created, if you want to insert new data, you can simply press tab and then you can add your data here. And in pivot table, you can refresh this data so that this information will get added into it. To sum up with, I would like to tell you that you should have data with headers and columns. Second thing, there should be no blanks present in your list, and there should be no surrounding data around your table.